finally have an update. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Sugarshack Nature Center and Family Pavilion 3000, and I'm calling it Project Red Leaf. What we're doing back here is building an accessory building which is 20 feet by 22 feet, and then in front is going to be a 20 feet wide by 16 feet long pavilion. That's going to come off. It's not going to have any walls on the pavilion side, just a roof and a shelter. So we're going to have picnic tables and things like that. And in front is going to be the building. And that's going to house an evaporator. It's going to house a woodworking shop, so I can do things around the house, build things, furniture, whatnot, other woodworking projects, pine wood derby cars, who knows. And it's also going to have a little lounge and a little area to help prepare maple syrup and stuff like that. It's also going to be a storage area for me because I am overflowing with stuff in this tiny shed and in the garage. So the goal is to move a lot of the stuff in the garage in here. I can't justify the cost of this just for sugaring. That is a complete mistake. It's really going to be a shed first, woodworking shop second, and sugaring place third. And really a place to help educate my daughters around the outdoors and use it as a home base. So I'm excited to show you what it's going to be about. After careful planning, I finally have the right location marked for the Sugarshack Nature Center and Family Pavilion 3000 project. This is going to be my largest undertaking ever. I had to work closely with the town and the Wetlands Commission to get approval of this project. And I really don't want to take down any of these trees, but I have to. And this tree breaks my heart. I do not want to take down this tree. However, it was pointed out to me through several tree companies that it's just a ticking time bomb. This is a tri-limb tree, or three trunks, tri-trunk tree, and it's a white pine, about 110 feet high. And over time, that trunk over there and all those branches will most certainly fall down on the building. It has to go. I'm in the stage of working with tree companies and excavation companies to get quotes. I can't take down these trees myself. I can take down the smaller ones, but these two trees, I'm not touching. I know better than to injure myself or to hurt other things out here. And two, I could excavate by hand and dig holes for the piers and things like that for the foundation. But that's going to take an immense amount of time. And with two young kids, my wife will kill me. So I'm trying to hire that portion out. Everything else, the electrical, the framing, the roof, whole 9 yards, I'm going to build myself, including pouring the concrete. I just need holes dug, and I need this leveled out a little bit. And while I'm doing this, we're going to take a look over here and start to level out parts of the grass. I mean, if you have heavy machinery, kill two birds with one stone. So that is the plan. This is going to take several months to build. It's going to be a lot of fun, I think. Pretty sure my wife still wants to kill me, but that's okay. And it's going to add a lot of value to the experience of living in the woods. That's the update.